Fruit. Introduction. All around the world, there are different types of fruit. Some fruit is big, and some fruit is little. Bananas, apples, and oranges are types of fruit. Do you like to eat fruit? What is your favorite fruit? Now, read and discover more about fruit. Chapter 1. Where fruit grows. Fruit grows on plants. Trees are a type of plant. Some types of fruit grow on big trees. Apples, oranges, peaches, and mangoes grow on big trees. Some mango trees are very tall. Some types of fruit grow on little plants. Some fruit plants grow on the ground. Strawberry plants grow on the ground. Some fruit plants are thin, but they grow tall. Kiwi plants are tall and thin. Chapter 2. Different fruit. There are many different types of fruit. Fruit can be green, red, orange, yellow, white, purple, blue, or black. Fruit can be long or short, oval or round. What shapes can you see here? A jackfruit can be about 1 meter long. Different types of fruit grow in different places. Bananas and mangoes grow in hot, rainy places. Lemons and oranges grow in hot places. Apples and strawberries grow in cool places. What fruit grows where you live? Chapter 3. Fruit and Seeds. All types of fruit have seeds. Some types of fruit have many little seeds. A dragon fruit has many little seeds. Some types of fruit have one big seed. A mango has one big seed. Open some fruit to see the seeds inside. A strawberry has seeds on the outside. Some types of fruit are soft. Oranges, strawberries, and peaches are soft. Some types of fruit are hard. Nuts are hard. Nuts have seeds inside. Chapter 4. New fruit plants. What do seeds do? Seeds make new plants. Old fruit falls from a plant to the ground. The fruit rots. The seeds from the fruit go into the ground. New plants grow from the seeds. How a new fruit plant grows. 1. A seed in the fruit makes a new plant. 2. Leaves make food for the new plant, so it can grow. 3. Flowers grow on the plant. 4. The flowers get old and the petals fall from the plant. 5. New fruit grows. 6. Old fruit falls to the ground and rots. Chapter 5: Fruit and Animals. Many animals eat fruit. Birds, monkeys, and mice eat fruit. They eat it in the trees or on the ground. Many animals eat little fruit seeds. Animals don't eat very big fruit seeds. Some animals carry fruit to a new place. Then they eat it. They drop fruit seeds on the ground. New plants grow from the seeds. It's good for plants to grow in a new place. They can grow big and tall. Chapter 6: How to Eat Fruit. Open a fruit and look inside. Can you see the skin, flesh, and seeds? Some fruit skin isn't good to eat. We peel the skin. Then we eat the flesh inside. We can do this with lychees, mangoes, and bananas. Some fruit skin is good to eat. We wash the fruit skin with cold water. Then we can eat the skin and flesh. We can do this with apples, peaches, and grapes. We can use the skin of the mangosteen fruit to make medicine. Chapter 7: Food and Drink. We use soft fruit to make jam. We use fruit to make cakes and cookies too. Olives and tomatoes are types of fruit. We use tomatoes to make pizza. We press olives to make olive oil. We use olive oil to cook food. We press some fruit to make fruit juice. Do you like to drink orange, apple, or pineapple juice? We mix some fruit with milk or ice cream to make milkshakes. Chapter 8: Is good for you. Fruit is good for your heart, eyes, and skin. Fruit is good for your body. It can stop you getting sick. Fruit helps you to walk, run, play, learn, and grow. You can eat fruit when you're hungry. You can eat fruit when you're thirsty too. Fruit has water inside. It stops you being thirsty. It's good to eat 2 or 3 different types of fruit every day. Fruit is good for you.